everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert multiple blank rows or columns quickly with Kutools for Excel. Is there a way to insert multiple blank rows or columns without neither accounting and selecting proper amount of rows nor pressing for repeatedly? Yes, the Kutools for Excel's insert blank rows and columns feature can help you deal with it conveniently. Select the row 4 and row 5 in this case and click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the insert drop down list and select insert blank rows and columns. In the insert blank rows and columns dialog box, choose the insert type you need. I want to insert blank rows. Then enter 1 in the interval of box and enter 10 uh, in rows box of the option section, and then click the OK button. And as you can see, 10 blank rows are inserted between the row 4 and row 5 at the blink of eyes. And if you want to insert 10 blank columns, uh, select your first and second column. In the editing group, click the insert drop down list. Select insert blank rows and columns. In the insert blank rows and columns, in the insert type, select blank columns. For the interval of box, type 1, and for the columns box, type 10, and click the OK button. As you can see, 10 columns are inserted at once. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.